friends, my name is Madhav Rudranesh. Today I am going to tell you class 10th maths real numbers. If you see this video, please keep comment that we should know we are doing nice or not, and please subscribe my channel. If you give us support, we will do nice better than these videos, and please like to our videos. Please share this video to your friends. This is very helpful. Okay, let's go into the topic. Real numbers. The real numbers is a value that represents on a line. Means these real numbers we can represent on a number line. I told you how to represent the rational numbers on the number line like that, or fractions on the number line like that. These real numbers also we can represent on a number line, and this real numbers is denoted by the symbol R. And the real numbers include all numbers as natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, integers. These 5 numbers will be included in this: natural, whole numbers, rational numbers, integers, irrational numbers. And this real numbers is so important in this 10th class. So you should listen this class so carefully. So now I am going to tell you how to represent the real numbers on a number line. Now I will tell you how to represent real numbers on the number line. If in exam you got represent the number line 2.4. 2.4. 2.4, if you tell me, see here. If you got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like scale only. Like scale, we will do. Like scale also, there will be millimeters between these 2 and 3 centimeters. I think you have like scale only we should do in the number line. If 2.4 means here 2, here 4, so that's why here this will be the 2.0, this will be 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and this is 2.4, this is 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, and here last 2.10. After the 2.10 again another centimeter 3. So like that there will be millimeters in this number line. Between the 3 or 2 or any number between that numbers there will be millimeters. In that millimeters we can represent the real numbers. So I think you have understood. Again I will tell you, there will be millimeters between these number on the number line between 2 numbers. In that millimeters we can take the and we can represent the real numbers. Now I will tell you the next step of. Okay students, now I will tell you the Euclid's division lemma. Means Euclid's means a scientist name, and division you know na, and lemma means the setup of this division. Again I will tell you, Euclid's division lemma means Euclid's is a name of scientist who invented this formula, and division you know, and lemma means it's setup of the division. So see here, if a and b positive integers, then they must satisfy the condition of a equals to bq plus r. Means if you do division of this a with b, see here, b, a you did, and q, you got something and you did minus, and you will get the r, and they are asking in this r you will get some answer. So that is the answer we can write. If this 32 if this 45 means 45, and I will tell you an example of something. For example, a equals to 45 and d equals to 6. See here, a equals to 45, b equals to 6. Now we will do this. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 20, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42. So we got here 42s and we keep here 7, 2 minus, and we got 3. Now we should write this in the setup of this division. See here how we should write this setup means 45 into 45 equals to 6 into 7 plus 3. 6 7 42 and plus 3 equals to 45. So we should write the setup of this division like this in this Euclid's division lemma. I will show you one more example. For example, A equals to 30 and B equals to 5. A equals to 30 and B equals to 5. Now, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 25, 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30. So 5 6 ja 30. Now we should write this division in its setup. See, 30 equals to 5 into 6 plus 0. So this is the setup of this 30. Now I will tell you how to find the HCF of these real numbers. Now I will tell you how to find the HCF of 125 in this. We should also do the division in this. 125. 2 we take 2 6 12 0 and we got 5. So 2 2 ja 4 minus 1. With 1 also we should do, but we can't get with the 1. So in prime factorization, like the division setup also we should write in this only. 2 into